Hello, everybody. Hi, dear tutor and companion of course. My name is Luisa Fernanda Rodriguez Cristancho. I am 29 years old. I live with two co-workers in Castilla La Nueva Meta since 2 years old. I am from Bucaramanga City. I am the finance and accounting chief. And my hobby are reading, travel, and listen to music. I am second semester student of industrial engineering. I like the Big Bang Theory TV show, and I like play soccer. My routine daily are I wake up very early, really very early. I wake up around 5 a.m. Then I get up at 6 a.m. Then I make the bed. After that, I take the shower. Then I dry my hair. After that, comb my hair. I put on makeup and I make breakfast. Um, I get dressed. After that, I go to the office. Then I catch the bus and I work around 8 a.m. At noon, I have lunch. After lunch, I go back to work. I finish work at 5 p.m. After work, I get home around 8 p.m. I undress, I take shower, then I take dinner. After that, I go to bed.